Hi there, students. Pimola. Pimola or Pimolas. Okay, a countable noun. You know these olives where they've got a little piece of red pepper stuffed inside. The stone or the pit has been taken out and they stuff a little piece of red pepper inside. Well, that is a pimola. Yeah? Pimola. I'm going to go for Pimola. Okay, it's the origin of this word is pimiento, and olive. So Pimola. These olives. So if you make a martini cocktail, you should have a couple of olives on a cocktail stick to stir your martini cocktail. They actually also here, at least in Spain, they make these olives stuffed with anchovies, and I think when they're stuffed with anchovies, they're much tastier. So, what do you think about pimolas? Do you actually like them? Do you think they're tasty? Okay, so a pimola, a pimiento stuffed with a sweet red pepper or a pimiento. Yeah. Okay, so a pimola. It's effectively a stuffed olive. I also, with these pimolas, I love the little bit of red colour. It's effectively a stuffed olive. This is actually a word I didn't know until I discovered it a couple of weeks ago, and I thought, well, this is going to be a good word for a video. So, a pimola, an olive stuffed with a sweet red pepper. So, enough. Formality. 5 informality. Use it anywhere, but you'll probably have to explain it. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pimola.